Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain chapter 10 of ninth class, that is surface areas and volumes. In that one topic, surface area of a cuboid. Okay, how to find the surface area of a cuboid. For that, first you should know for cuboid how many faces it is having, how many edges it is having, how many sides means corners it is having, that or everything you should know, right? See, observe the cuboid and find how many faces it has, how many corners and how many edges it has, which pair of faces are equal in size. Do you get any idea to find surface area of a cuboid? So now let us find out the surface area of a cuboid. Let us take in this is the length of the cuboid 5, breadth 3, height 2 centimeters, right? Now we should find the surface area of a cuboid. So before going to find the surface area of a cuboid, first you should know the surface area of a cuboid. Okay, surface area of a cuboid, first you should know formula. Yes, so for derivation of formula, see one example. If you cut open the given cuboid along CD, see here this cuboid. So you can take any live example. Just I am taking the pack of Colgate. See, any like a cuboid boxes, any you can. Okay, see, this is a example of a cuboid, right? See, how many faces it is having? 6 faces. How many? 6. Why? Because here 4 sides. See, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. 6 faces it is having, right? See, that is the 6 faces it is having. So if you open, means if you cut that cuboid, so you will get like this figure. Okay, if you cut this, you can open it. See, along with one edge you can cut it, and if you open that, you will get like this shape. See, how many rectangles you are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so similar way, see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 rectangles you are getting like this manner, right? If you open that cuboid. Okay, if you close it like this, you can close it, so you will get the cuboid figure. Okay, so this is the one live example of cuboid, right? Now should find out the total area of a cuboid. Derivation means that formula we are finding from this. Okay, so here numbers also given, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 rectangles, and they should give names of the rectangles also given. So A B C D is one rectangle. Okay, A B F E, one more rectangle, E F G H and H G C D, means C D H G also we can call, G C B F and H D A E. Okay, these are the names of the rectangles. Now this shows that surface area of cuboid is made up of 6 rectangles of 3 identical pair of rectangles, right? To get the total surface area of a cuboid, we have to add areas of all 6 rectangles, right? If you want to find out the total area of, okay, total area of this cuboid, surface area of this cuboid, you should find out all 6 areas rectangles. Okay, 6 rectangles areas we need to find out. For that, one by one, see, area of rectangle EFGH. Okay, EF EFGH, this rectangle 1. Okay, area of rectangle L into B, right? So length into breadth, so we should take, but here we took some 3 identical rectangles we took, no, so that those are these 3 are 3 identical rectangles. So H height is H breadth is b, here l, here l, here b we took. Okay, now here breadth like this. So after taking these values, now we should find out area of rectangle 1. Okay, l into h, length into breadth no, but here length l, breadth h, so lh, lh. Okay, let us say equation 1, area of rectangle hgcd. Okay, second rectangle hgcd. Okay, this rectangle l into b, length into breadth. Okay, so likewise remaining all, third rectangle. Okay, bh. Okay, bh. Next to fourth rectangle bh, same. Next fifth rectangle lb. Okay, next sixth rectangle hl. Okay, length into breadth. So let us say equations up to 1 to 6. Okay, and adding the above areas we get the surface area of a cube. Okay, cuboid, sorry, cuboid, surface area of a cuboid. So let us add all these. You should add all these, so you will get areas of rectangle 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so that you can add all these areas, lh, lb, bh, bh, lb, lh. Okay, now 2 into lb's, how many lb's are there? 1 2. Okay, 2 lb, lh 2, lh, lh, 2 into lh, and 2 bh, 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 2 bh. In these three terms we have 2 common, so take 2 common, remaining lb plus bh plus lh. So this is the surface area of a cuboid formula. Okay, now we should find out the lateral surface area of a cuboid. For this, just we should take lateral surface area only 4 rectangles, 1 3 4 6. See, 1 3 4 6, this only we should take. Okay, so after taking that you will get 2h into l plus b. Why? Because 2h, here also 2h is common, so we remaining is l plus b. This is the formula for lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay, after getting these formulas, then should substitute lbh values. See here, lbh values are there, no? If you want to find out surface area, total surface area of a cuboid, means we should use, and you can substitute, you will get the answer. If you want to find out the lateral surface area of cuboid, so you should use this formula and should get the answer. Okay, so I hope you understood these derivations. Total surface area of a cuboid, lateral surface area of a cuboid. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.